MDT202-MEDITAN Far-Infrared Kids Cough Relief Patch, with the powerful ingredient, far-infrared ceramic powder. It radiates far-infrared rays to penetrate deeply into body to activate cells, relax vascular and smooth muscle, and enhance the rhythmic movement of blood vessels to speed up drug absorption. Suitable for the adjuvant treatment of acute and chronic cough, drying expectoration, or wheeze in children from 1 to 10 years old. Transdermal absorption of medicine, mild effect and non-irritating, painless and without side effects. Easy to be accepted by children.